Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Honor 200 Pro. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is on the bottom of your screen of your phone right here. Then another one is located on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. There's also something like a speaker right here, but I think that is the same speaker as for your phone call speaker. So pretty much I think there's a stereo speakers on this device, but we're gonna check it anyway. And now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of those speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. Okay, and I can confirm that this device does have the stereo speakers. Sound was coming from this speaker and also the speaker right here and the top one as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.